In continuation of the part retrosynthetic approach, we are discussing the part of what we are given these types of the compound. This is a olefin. So this is the target molecule. What is the analysis? What is the analysis? As you can say, what is the retrosynthetic approach? As you can say, this target molecules having the one function group is there. This is the alkene. This carbon-carbon double bond. So this is the alkene is there. So this is the cyclohexanone. This cyclohexane. So one CC disconnection, that is formation of what? Carbonyl compound plus what? Cyclohexanone and cyclohexanone. Again, what disconnection approach is takes place, that is a analysis, formation of what? Here diol. Again here also formation of alcohol is there. So the cyclohexanol and cyclohexanol. What is the synthesis? What is the plan of synthesis? Iska synthesis kya hoga? So this is what we are having, this starting reactor molecules alcohol, which are going to, this is the PCC, or using this is the CrO3 chromium trioxide, simple oxidation of this alcohol to the formation of cyclohexanone. If the cyclohexanone is treated with cyclohexanone, formation of what? The using the types of the reagent, that is, as you can say, the Wittig. I am writing this is the Wittig. This triphenylphosphine reacted, or another types of the reagent TiCl4 is used, and then formation of what? Target compound. Formation of what? A target compound. So another types of the reagents, target compounds, which how to analyze, how to synthesis. If we are having this another types of the reactant molecules, that is cyclohexene. So cyclohexene, it is substituted cyclohexene. If we are having the substituted cyclohexene, how it is obtained? That is, these types of the target compound, as you can say, target molecule is there. How it is analyzed? How it is plan of the analysis. So this analysis plan, it is first of all this hydroxide. I am writing this hydroxide. So this is, as you can say, this FGI is here. Functional group interconversion. Alcohol is converted into the alkene. Again, this is how it is. Ketone is there. Again, how this ketone oxidize. Okay. So up to the marks, this is what? If another types of retro analysis plan, if I have this OH, this pH, and this is what this alcohol is obtained. Again, this ketone plus pH MgBr. This is the prepare this Grignard reagents, cyclohexanone. So these are the analysis. Which one is the best path, best route for the synthesis of target molecules? As you can say, this is the synthesis. What is the plan of synthesis? If you are the static molecule is what? Cyclohexanone. This cyclohexanone is treated with pH MgBr, phenyl magnesium bromide. It is reacted with what? Dry ether as organic solvent. Then formation of what? There is formation of this types of the species, this OH, and this one is the pH in presence of H plus, heat, then loss of water molecules, dehydration is takes place, hydrogen atom from here, OH from here, minus H2O, dehydration is takes place, and formation of target molecules. That's why this route is correct. This is not best route. So as we know that a basic route, it must be what? Feasible and favorable, easily available starting reactants, non-hazardous reactant, catalyst, means path is eco-friendly. As you can say, this selectively this eco-friendly a reactant, reagent, catalyst. As you can say, it must be environmentally benign, cost effective, favorable and feasible reactions.